Welcome to the highlight of our adventure in Georgia, the snow experience in Godauri. Join us as we make some unforgettable memories. I hope you will enjoy this video as much as we did. We are here, dito na sa Godauri talaga, dun sa ski place. Kung saan ka pwede mag-ski, marami siyang mga rental. Oh, meron dito. Saan pa ba? I think meron pa doon sa kabila. Now, we'll see kung ano activities ang meron sa atin dito. Yeah, you have to be careful. It's very slippery. Ang puputi ng ng snow. Nagkakaroon na siya. Oh, ay, ang ganda. Nasa Oh, may maliit na snowflakes, oh. Oh, nice. As in, talaga nakaporma siya na snowflakes. Na parang star. Ayan. Oh, we're here.
Hi.
So, your dream came true. Wow.
Thank you, Lord.
Look at this is the marshal. From there they are going up. Then take pictures, videos, and then come back.
Okay.
Now they will explain.
So, who will explain it to us there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, explain daw doon sa atin.
Ayoko na pumunta doon. Ganda doon. Ayoko, kayo na lang. Dito na ako sa snow, pupunta pa ako doon sa mataas. Safe na tayo dito.
Having paragliding. So I don't know what are we going to do, but I think we will try the snow motor.
Hindi nga.
Ano, Bing? Oh, there's a lot of people inside.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the place where you can get this one. Oh, meron silang mga shoes. Oh, maya, ito doon, uusap ka. Pwedeng, kung ano man ang gusto mong gawin.
On the situation you can drive together. If you cannot drive, you need someone. For example, me or
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, of course.
Can you be with us?
Yes.
Okay.
If I will drive, it means that only one person. Yeah, you can. If you will drive
We
by
can
your
too.
own, then you can sit too. But it's not
Hard.
Not hard. They will explain it.
Okay, we'll see. If it's easy for her to do the driving, we will go. But if she cannot, we will not.
You will take one bike and sit together.
Okay. So we can sit, but if she doesn't know how to drive,
They will explain.
Okay.
You will try.
But yeah, that's the thing. That as you're driving, it's your responsibility.
Yes.
If you crash, of course you're paying for it.
Okay.
That's our driver following you with another bike.
Okay.
Yes.
Takot ka? Takot ka? Thank you. Sorry for that. Sorry, we cannot accept the challenge for today.
Cable car. What is cable car?
It's not working because it's not season yet.
It should be safe, right?
Yes, and they are all time first time.
Yeah.
Nobody is professional.
I know.
But, of course, you should choose, but I think that there's nothing too hard.
Okay. I mean, no, she cannot because I really cannot drive. I'm only relying to her.
Look, they are also first time. And this first who is in front of you, he's
The guide.
And you should follow them. Only you should make distance 5 meters. That's
Ako mag-drive eh. Sabi niya, kung marunong ka mag-motor, it's very easy for you. Bakit ikaw marunong? Motor problema. Takot ako mag-drive dyan kasi baka pag babae,
Steps pa naman ang daan kasi nag-ano siya.
Sabi niya, if you have an accident, you will pay.
150. We'll just do a snowball and then throw each other. Maybe we'll go that way. So hindi na kami mag-snow motor kasi natatakot sila mag-drive. Mag-ano na lang kami, mag-picture na lang kami. So we bring our gloves. I'll just make some. Medyo malambot yung snow kaya mahirap din pala talaga. Ito gawa na niyan. Mahirap din pala talaga, oh. Ay, wait lang.
Maninigas ang kamay mo. Smile muna, smile. Yan.
Nahirap kasi parang snowball.
Naninigas nga ang kamay ko.
Wala man lang tayong mata.
Lalagyan kong mata.
Put some mata here. Oh my God!
Hello, Bukid. Sige na, Bukid. Bukid na, Bukid. Ay, mag-ano ka, Angel ako? O, sige. Paano ko yung nakuha natin, Angel ko? Ganun na kasi, guys.
Na!
Paano ba nga?
Ganun ba itaas?
Alam mo na ang hindi makita. Oh, sige na, subukan ko. Wait lang, ganun na.
Na, wala na tuloy. Pero mga 012185.
Ikaw maglagay. Ay.
Ay!
Baba, o yan.
Oy, ako na yun. Yung
Ano to?
yung ilong.
Ilong. Nalupat na ata. Ay, ang
Ay,
ganda.
namatay.
Tingin. Ayan.
Taas mo ng konti, pwede pa siya itaas.
Yan, yan.
Ito ang matabang snowman. Okay na? Walang kamay, wala kang makuha stick. Wala kang makuha stick.
Wait lang.
Masyado kang na-excite.
What?
Stick.
Nag-alala tuloy yung tour guide natin. Akala niya kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. Kaloka.
I cannot move anymore. Be careful.
No, the snowman!
Anong sabi mo, te? Wala akong naintindihan. Parang mas importante pa yung snowman. Kaloka.
Nalawag.
Ha?
Tusok na siya. Grabe, ang hirap din pala.
Naiinip na siya kaya nagsayaw na lang.
Ayan, yan. Nice.
Nakatusok na pala ito. Natusok na ang kamay ko.
Eh, kawawa.
Oh. Nakakatusok, oh.
Matinik.
Matinik. Natusok na kamay ko. Wait lang. Ingatan mo, may tinik. Ito kamay. Oh. Pasensya ka na, mahaba yung isang kamay. Ito, yan. Tusok na yung banda sa'yo.
Ayan. Kulang ba dito? Kulang ba? Magpa-post lang ako.
Ako din. Ako din. Alis dyan. Ako pupunta dyan.
Ay, mayroon nito. Wait lang. One more.
Mag-i-snowman ako eh. Ay, ng anak ko eh. Angel. Dapat siguro malapit ako. Ako. Malam. Hindi ko nga nakikita kung saan ang picture day. Snowman. Picture naman. Tagal naman ang anong boy. Okay. Picture.
1, 2, 3.
Snowing.
1, 2, 3.
Video. Isa pa. Sorry. Tama nga guys. Ano nangyari sa hair? Ano, nagbibidyo siya?
Yeah. Diyan ka lang.
Dali, lapit ka dito. Dalawa tayo. Bilisan mo.
Okay.
Naninigas na ako.
Upo ka na.
Ibidyo mo na. Diyan ka. Ibidyo mo na. Dito ka lang. Bakit pupunta ka pa doon? Diyan ka. Oh, yun na. Picture tayo.
Na, it's okay. It's on video.
Snowman natin.
You know, you post and then screenshot.
Dapat tayong angkat dyan. Snowing. Bilisan nyo at mainit.
Ano daw, te? Masakit o mainit?
Bilisan nyo. Tumatakbo.
Sinong tumatakbo, te?
Huwag yung si Snowman.
Para alam mo. Waki! Isa pa, Waki! Okay.
Oh yeah, snowing. Dali, snowing.
1, 2, 3.
Snowing.
Oh, may sakit tayo.
Tama na.
Let's go.
O, ayan, nanigas ka na, te. Di ka na makatayo.
Tignan mo itong yung snowman mo naman isa. Pagpagan blues. Bye, Snow. Snowman. We will miss you.
Very ugly.
This is yours?
No, it's for her.
Very ugly snow.
Very ugly. No, it's not ugly. Oh. Wait. Now we're going home. We already had a lot of photos here, and although we did not try the snow motor, we're going na. We enjoy the snow. Slide. So we're going. Our next destination will be hindi ko na alam. So I'll let you know, guys, kung saan yung kasunod kasi nakalimutan ko na.
Came to be here in the snow.
Good for you.
Thank you, Lord.
Bye.
Oh.
Buti hindi nakuha sa video sa camera.